All right, Heath. Personal box select football. Oh, box 6. Good luck, brother. Here we go. Select's a fun one. Which sport? There's so many national treasures. There's always one coming out. 2016 NT football comes out next month. Another tie-dye. Look at this. We already hit 2 in the first or in the second box of this case. Crazy. Vincent Jackson, numbered 8 of 25. Tie-dye for everybody. Yeah, NT football's I forget the release date. A month or so. Vic Beasley, number to 149. Blue. Oh, here's the hit. What's it gonna be? Number to 99. Ooh, jumbo patch. Braxton Miller. Braxton Miller. Yeah, NT football. That'd be a fun one. That'd be a fun one. John Elway, number to 99. Red. Here's an auto. Number to 199, Daryl Worley. Autograph. So your relic auto. Here, I'll save the thickest. Oh. I'll save the fat packs. Yep, always a fun one. Oh, nice. Dak Prescott. One of the tricolors. Not numbered. Oh, here's a die cut coming up. We got a Zeke rookie. Sterling Shepard, number to 125. Die cut blue. Rookie. Carson, man, you're hitting all the big guys, though. For real. DeForest Buckner. Tricolor. Prism. Oh, here's your 2017 rookie. Let's see which one you get here. Ooh. Quarterback 3. Oh, QB 3. Rookie. All right. 3 fat packs. Tom Brady tricolor prism. Yeah, we just did that a few minutes ago. It's already on YouTube, Darren. Already on the tube. Tyreek Hill. And then number to 75, CJ Procise. Rookie jersey autograph. Heath, there you have it, brother.